beautiful. And you're probably wondering, well, how in the world can such a beautiful sky indicate the potential for severe storms? That's just how it goes. The more sunshine you get in a dynamic atmosphere, the more instability that builds and the better chances that you'll get for storms maybe later in the afternoon or early in the evening, as we're going to track all that and do our best to bring you some live coverage. So this is the overall setup right now. And again, we've been talking about the heavy rain falling there in between Houston and San Antonio, right around Schulenburg. So a flood watch is in place for the darker green spots. That includes College Station and the like. But this cell right here hasn't moved a whole lot for a couple hours now. And look at all that heavy rain that continues to just slowly crawl along I-10. Rainfall rates of 2 to 3 inches per hour. For context, 1 inch of rain per hour is considered a lot. And with our estimated rain product, you'll see that, yeah, a lot of orange showing up in this stripe, indicating anywhere from 3 to, gosh, maybe approaching 6, 7, 8 inches. As we continue to monitor the area, a couple of flash flood warnings in place and a lot of lightning as well. And also looks like another storm cell about to move right into that first initial flash flood warned spot. So a heads up Gonzales and areas right around that region. More rain headed your way, more thunderstorms. Not a severe thunderstorm warning on that storm, but it is producing a lot of lightning and hellacious rain. Also back off towards San Antonio. Now we're starting to see some storms fire up as well. So right along that 410 loop, things getting a little bit interesting here pretty quickly. And this, I think this is how these storms will likely initialize as we go through time here. All of a sudden, you'll start to see some action firing up quickly, and hopefully we can get Haley Meyer on it. She's not in Texas. She'll be, in Oklahoma later on for the next 4 hours or so as we kick it over to her at the top of the hour. And in this environment, there's plenty of moisture for any storm that gets fired up to feed off of. We've also got a ton of available storm energy, and all of that could lead to very vertically stacked, vertically developed storms, which tap into the really cold air at the top of the Earth's atmosphere and drop some hail. And we could be seeing some egg-sized hail across parts of the Lone Star State, Oklahoma, and Kansas. That is 2-inch in diameter hailstones potentially. Damaging wind threats as well, 50 to 60 mile per hour plus winds, along with tons of wind shear. Boy, oh boy, is it a primed atmosphere today. And I'll tell you what, if we don't see anything major happening out there today, and we very well could right over here, we really could then make up for lost ground Monday and especially into Tuesday. Tuesday looks to be the worst severe weather day of the bunch as we look at the totality of this entire event. Kansas City, a few raindrops for you. We'll keep the clouds around through the rest of the day, and then I think we see things quiet down a touch as we get into kind of dinner time and beyond. So there you have that, and then we'll continue to monitor what's going on in Dallas. So Kansas City, if you can make it through the next hour or so, I think you're okay for the rest of the day today before the atmosphere then reloads yet again for tomorrow. Dallas, you keep socked in with those clouds, temps holding steady in the 70s between now and about 9 o'clock. So that's what it looks like for y'all.